A little coffee, a little chaos, and a whole lot of dub. Hey everybody, welcome into Coffee with Dubs. We're going to keep it short and sweet today because, well, Tuesdays need their own theme song, and I've been juggling dad life, getting the boys out and about. But I also managed to sneak in some studio time last night and get a little creative. We'll get into that in just a second, though. So last night, I was scrolling on Facebook when I came across this really awesome photograph taken by a local here in Lacey. I commented on it asking for permission to paint it because doing that without asking permission is a big no-no and a great way to find yourself in trouble. And the simple response, he said, do your thing. So I did exactly that. I recorded myself painting while BSing with my friends last night, and it came out pretty freaking awesome. It's a 4x4 inch canvas, nothing very fancy, but still a very cool, snowy scene with trees in front of a lake, and it's just a nice ombre sunset happening in the background. I'm happy with the way it came out, and I do credit the original photographer on the back of the canvas. I'm not going to show it because I gave you his full name. Now, I'm going to go let it sit for a couple days and see if anyone in the township likes it enough to want it. And seriously, it's like a $10 painting. It's small, insignificant, it's not a big piece, but if no one claims it in the next 2 or 3 days, I'm going to turn it into a little Bolt canvas. Like, I'm thinking like a little picture of Bolt right here, observing the sunset, building a snowman, or, something like that. I think honestly that would make me pretty happy with what happens with this piece if no one actually wants it, because at the end of the day, I'll be adding to the Bolt universe, and that's not a bad thing. As for today's content, I printed out one of the coloring pages so I can actually do some content of me coloring it in. I'm thinking if people see me coloring in the pages that I've been sharing on the website, it might make them more inclined to check them out and maybe join me. So we're going to put the canvas aside for a little bit today, put down a coloring page, and bring Bolt's world to life. So to wrap it up, head over to the website. Check out the free Bolt coloring pages. You'll find those either in the Bolt blog and freebies or over in the activity station. And if you're feeling so inclined, head over to the vault and check out the merch too. It's a great way to roll into the new year with something creative. Thank you for shopping with us and for stopping with us, and I'll see you tomorrow for another Coffee with Dubs.
Hello Maker, I'm Bolt Voltage. Welcome to the Activity Station, a place built to explore creativity. Here we paint, build, code, and mash it all together in one colorful playground. A splash of color here, a gear or two there, and maybe a little light for good measure. And just like that, ta-da!